Bonjour et bienvenue à Rapid French. Hello and welcome to Rapid French. Je m'appelle Benga. My name is Benga and today I'll teach you some basic greetings in French. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to be notified of new videos. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video because at the end of this video I'm going to be sharing some expressions that you will never find in any textbook. But the first greeting is salut. Salut. The T at the end is silent. Salut. Salut. The salut can mean hi, it can mean hello, it can also mean bye. Can you try that? Salut. Salut. Très bien. The next one is perhaps the most common word in French, which is bonjour. Bonjour. Alright, so bonjour does not only mean good morning. Bonjour can mean good afternoon. It can mean good day. It can mean hello. And of course, it can mean good morning. Can you try that? Bonjour. So if you wanted to say bonjour, good morning, sir, for instance, you say bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Monsieur means Mr. or Sir. Madame means Mrs. While mademoiselle means Miss. So can you try that? Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Of course, mademoiselle is a young lady who is yet to be married. Can you try it one more time? Bonjour. So let's move to evening. When it's evening, how do you greet in French? You say bonsoir. 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 Bonsoir means good evening. So if you wanted to greet your friend Sandra, bonsoir Sandra. Bonsoir Mon Ami. That's good evening, my friend. And when it's time to go to bed at night, you say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. The T in nuit is silence. So it's bonne nuit, not bonne nuit. Don't say bonne nuit, it's bonne nuit. Très bien. So if you wanted to wish someone a nice day in French, you say bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. It means have a nice day, have a great day. And if you wanted to wish someone a nice evening in French, you say bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée means have a nice evening. And if you wanted to wish someone have a nice afternoon, you say bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. So bon après-midi does not mean good afternoon. You should know that bon après-midi means have a nice afternoon. If you wanted to say goodbye in French, you say au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir means bye. Or you could, if you're seeing the person soon, you could say à bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt means see you soon. If you will see the person next time, say à la prochaine. À la prochaine. À la prochaine means see you next time. If you see the person later, you can say à plus tard. You could also say à tout à l'heure. If you've seen the person tomorrow, you say à demain. À demain. À demain means see you tomorrow. If you've been seeing the person on Monday, you just add the day of the week to à. So if you've seen the person on Monday, you say à lundi. If you don't know the days of the week in French, just click on the link up here to be updated of that. So if you've seen the person on Tuesday, à mardi. On Wednesday, à mercredi. So and on like that. So to ask someone how the person is doing in French, use this expression in informal situations. With your friends, someone you're older than, you'd say comment ça va? Comment ça va? You could also just say ça va, but not the rise in intonation. Not ça va. Ça va? So when you raise the intonation, it means you're asking a question. Ça va? Yeah, and the response to that, you could say ça va bien. Ça va bien. I'm doing great, I'm doing well. Or you say je vais bien. Je vais bien, merci. I'm doing fine, I'm doing great, thank you. Now if you're referring to someone older than you, or someone you respect, your boss, or someone you're meeting for the first time, you say comment allez-vous? Don't say comment ça va. Comment ça va can be deemed impolite and disrespectful to someone older than you or your boss. So just use this expression, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? It means how are you? The response, you could say ça va bien, merci. You could say je vais bien, merci. Alright, if you're not doing well and you wanted to let the person know, you could say ça va mal. Ça va mal. That means things are not well, things are not fine. If things are so, you really can't tell, you could say comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. So when someone asks you, comment ça va? So, comme ci, comme ça. Can you try that? Comme ci, comme ça. Super. Très bien. So let's go through it again. Salut, which means hi, hello, or bye. Bonjour, which means good morning, hello, good afternoon, and good day. Bonsoir, which means good evening. Bonne nuit, good night. Bonne journée, let's have a great day. Bonsoir, let's have a nice evening. Bon après-midi, bon après-midi, let's have a lovely afternoon. Comment ça va? How are things going? Or you could just say ça va. Are things going well? Ça va? Oui, ça va. Yes, things are going well. Or you say ça va bien, merci. Doing well, thank you. You also say je vais bien, merci. And if you're writing to someone older than you want to ask the person how the person is doing in French, you say comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? How are you doing? The response to that, ça va bien, merci. Or je vais bien, merci. Okay, well, thank you. So say bye in French, au revoir. And say see you soon in French. À bientôt. So I think I was going to share some expressions you were not going to find in any textbook. And one of this expression is this word here, ça bouge. Ça bouge. Ça bouge means things going well. It's the language of the street. You could also use it in informal situations. You could also say ça roule. You could say ça marche. And sometimes you could hear on dit quoi. On dit quoi. On dit quoi means what's up, what's going on. Oh, ça bouge. Oh, ça marche. Oh, ça roule. So just try that till you speak more like a francophone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. À bientôt!